What if I told you you could make $100 in just 1 hour? And no, I'm not talking about selling kidneys on the dark web. I'm talking about something fun, simple and actually cute, kids coloring books. But not the boring store kind. These are custom, personal books made with AI. Picture a child opening a coloring book where they are the star of the story. One page they're with Santa, the next they're in the pumpkin patch, and then they're saving the day with someone famous cartoon dogs will all know. Parents lose their minds for this, and you just spent an hour making it. My name is Anton and I'm your AI guide. I spend a lot of time testing AI tools and finding fun ways to use them in real life. I'm not selling a course. This is just something I tried for my own kids, and trust me, they were so excited. Now I'll show you how it works. Think of ChatGPT as the coach with the clipboard. It doesn't draw, but it writes the perfect game plan. You say, give me 10 ideas for coloring pages. Black and white, bold outlines, kid-friendly. In seconds, it gives you a list with poses, scenes, even little themes like Christmas morning or Halloween night. You can also feed it details, age, favorite animals, maybe a favorite hero. It builds you a pack of prompts faster than you can boil an egg. Now we take those prompts and drop them into NanoBanana. That's the brush. That's where the magic shows up. The app turns text into clean black and white coloring pages. You can upload a photo of a child and suddenly, boom, they are standing next to Santa or hanging out with dinosaurs or flying with superheroes. And of course, you can swap in any character your child loves. This is the part where parents say, wait, my kid is in a storybook? This isn't just a toy for your own family. You can set up a small Instagram page, post a couple of examples, and watch the DMs roll in. Parents love unique gifts, especially for kids. And here is the clever part. You can make themed coloring books for holidays. Pumpkins and witches for Halloween, turkeys and feast for Thanksgiving, Santa and reindeer for Christmas. These seasonal books hit hard because they feel fresh, personal and special. Here's the best part. It doesn't take all day. You can build one book in less than 1 hour. That's why I call it a $100 hour. One focus session and you've got a complete, polished product. Not bad compared to scrolling TikTok for the same hour. And here is a little secret out of the script. You can't use it for selling or something like that, but you can use it on your own. So if you or your kids like some hero, like cartoon hero or even like movie hero, you can make a screenshot of this movie or cartoon, add to NanoBanana how I showed you before, add the second picture of you or your child, and ask NanoBanana to combine these photos. So again, you can sell it because it's copywriting issues, but you can use on your own. Don't tell anyone this secret. Once you've got your pages, you don't just send random images. Open Canva, drag in all the pictures, add the title page, maybe the child's name, and arrange them like a real coloring book. Then export as PDF. Boom, you've got a digital product that looks like it came off a shelf. Now imagine this. A kid flips through the pages and sees themselves riding a slide with Santa, then roasting the marshmallows by a campfire, then holding balloons at birthday party. Their eyes light up. Parents cry happy tears, and you're just sitting there thinking, all I did was click a few buttons. That's the power of AI and the power of being a little creative. So that's the idea. ChatGPT as the brain, NanoBanana as the brush, and Canva as the finishing touch. It's fast, it's fun, and it's $100 hour. And if this blew your mind, the next one's even crazier. I'll show you another weird way AI can become your side hustle. Step right here.